In this video, I'll show you how to create pretty awesome images really, really simple and easy. So you can see these images, I created them with ChatGPT and they actually came out readable and they're pretty freaking amazing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we look over in ChatGPT, basically what I did is I said this right here. Let's see. Give me 4 cartoon images for each activity category. Also make sure to save them as JPEG with image name using SEO best practices. So I'm going to copy that and give you a for example. So paste that here for a second. So say that you're going to take an existing blog post. So we will go look at, say, retire in Charleston. You can see I've already got images here, but say we wanted to generate some. Just copy this all the way down. So just grab the text from your site, just like so. And we're almost there. All right. So now we've got it. We're going to copy it. Say as an SEO expert / graphic designer and copywriter, please use the following. So I put double quotes, and then I go up here and copy this, and I'm going to update that to say, give me a cartoon image for each H2 tag. Also make sure to save them as JPEGs because you want it JPEGs and you also want it named basically whatever the title is. So watch this. It's gonna be epic. You're gonna love this. Check it out. So give it a second, and here's retire in Charleston. Pretty cool. Cost of living in Charleston. All right, so some of this stuff doesn't come out clear, but 3 out of 4 is not terrible. That's got a lot going on. I'm going to tell it to try again with less words. Please try again using no words on the images. Okay. So it's doing it for each one of my H2 tags. So it's going to take a second. There's probably like 10 H2 tags. If you don't know what an H2 tag is, an H2 tag is basically a headline tag. So you have your H1 tag, and then you have your H2 tag, and then like that's a H2, 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 and you can have H3s. These would be H3s because they're contained within it, and then this is H2. So let's go back and see what we got. So this one didn't come out quite as good because I asked for a whole lot. So I'm going to say, please try again. Give me 4 images with no words. And while it's doing that, I want to show you. Like it's been spitting them out. Like that's pretty cool, right? All these images came out pretty awesome. But now that I make a video, that one's kind of hard to read. Now that I make a video, it's going to give me absolute trash. Hopefully not, but going to show you how you can do it. So that one's pretty good. But this is how you can easily create some images that you can use. That one's pretty nice too. That you can use for your blog post. These are 100% free. These are 100% unique to you. That's a good one. It's got a lot going on. You just download it like that. And you can see it did not rename it the way I asked it to. Please export these as JPG files. So what it's going to do is it's going to do some script. It's going to turn it into a JPG file that I can just click and download. Because we want either a JPEG or a PNG. We just can't use the web PNG. So now I click download file. You'll see how it made a JPEG versus this WebP. How cool is that? If you think that's cool, let me know in the comments. I got more for you.